Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience with the tool. Today, we're diving into Mega.io, a powerful cloud storage and file sharing service. Mega distinguishes itself with its end-to-end encryption, meaning your data is secure both in transit and while stored on their servers. This robust security measure ensures that only you, and those you choose to share with, can access your files. Mega offers a generous free tier with a substantial storage allowance, making it an attractive option for individuals seeking secure online storage. For those needing more space or advanced features, various paid plans are available to cater to different needs and budgets. Navigating the Mega interface is generally intuitive. Uploading and downloading files is straightforward, with clear progress indicators and options for managing your file structure within the platform. Sharing files is equally simple, allowing you to grant access to specific individuals via their Mega accounts or by generating shareable links. These links can be further customized with download limits, password protection, and expiration dates, offering granular control over how your files are accessed. Beyond basic file storage and sharing, Mega provides a range of additional functionalities. These include file versioning, allowing you to revert to previous versions of your documents, and a built-in chat feature for seamless communication with collaborators. While the user interface might appear somewhat minimalist, it prioritizes functionality and efficiency. Mega also offers dedicated mobile applications for iOS and Android devices, enabling you to access your files and manage your account on the go. This cross-platform compatibility ensures a consistent experience regardless of the device you're using. Overall, Mega presents a compelling solution for secure cloud storage and file sharing. Its robust security features, generous free tier, and intuitive interface make it a valuable tool for anyone seeking a reliable and private way to manage their data online. Remember to check out the links in the description for more information and to access Mega.io.